Supabase. Supabase is a cloud-based system that stores and manages your application's content and data, kind of like a smart online filing cabinet. If you're using tools like N10 to plan and automate Instagram posts, you need somewhere to save all that information, like captions, images, and schedules. Supabase keeps all of that safe, organized, and accessible anytime from anywhere. It works behind the scenes so your automation tools can pull, update, or delete content without you needing to store anything on your phone or computer. It's reliable, secure, and built to handle apps securely. In the link below, supabase.com, create a new account, create a new organization. That could be anything. For example, here we're using AI Influencer. So it's an organization where we're going to be creating a few AI influencers. Type whatever, personal or business, it's entirely up to you. And plan if it's free, chargeable. We're just going for free at the moment. Create a project name, and that project name is, you're going to give it a name. This is a Instagram influencer, for example. And what we're going to do is create a table, a new table that is going to be as posts, for example. Okay, we're going to describe it Instagram posts. So this is, the table is basically where all the content, the weekly content is going to live. Enable row level security, keep it like this. ID, like that. Create that timestamp. Now, add column, we are going to add, so we're going to add period type. Period type, we're going to add period type. And what this means basically is just the period we're going to create that content for. So we're going for like a weekly content. So it's going to be a week. Period log. And what that means is what week of the year, for example, or what week of the month that would be. For example, we're going for weekly content. Is it going to be like the first week of 2025, second week of 2025, the 23rd week of 2025, and so on. Text. And here we're going to have the period content. So for that weekly content that we will have, what am I doing? Text. Perfect. Here. And then here we're going to, so for the weekly content that we're going to have, this is going to be the actual content. It's going to be the post that will be created for Ella's Instagram. This is going to be posts. Summary. Also text, nice and easy. Everything's text. And here is going to be the image. We will need it later on to share. Okay, and here what we're going to do is we're going into storage, because that's where we're going to store all of the post content. What we can do, what we're going to do is add a new bucket, and we give it a name of LS images. We need to make sure the bucket is public. Now go to your project settings. Here you will find your project name and project ID. Make sure you copy your ID. Then into your data API, find your URL. You will need the URL. And finally into your API keys. Here you're going to find two API keys, the public, anon, and service role. Make sure you copy both, because we will need both for two different things.